close till I get up. Time is barely on our.
Hello friends, I am Panav and you are watching Paper Kraft. Today I will teach you how to make Hot Wheels display showroom. Before this I have made different types of Hot Wheels stuff. If you haven't seen those videos, the link is given in the description as well as in the I button. You can see those videos from there. So to make Hot Wheels display showroom we need shoe box, marker, glue gun, plastic sheet, paper cutter, paint and paintbrush, scale and lights. But before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel Papercraft yet, so do subscribe it first and hit the bell notification button to get my latest updates. And if you like my video, so give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. So let's begin.
Audio Jungle.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
If you do not have the sticker, the link is given in the description box. You can download it from there.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
clicked my mind to make working shutter. For this we need flexible wire,
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So with this, our Hot Wheels showroom is ready. If you like my video, so give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you want me to make something for you, you can DM me on Instagram or Facebook. Thank you.